What's up, guys? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello. I'm sincerely Niko. In today's video, we're going to be trying out the One Size Concealer. See how much coverage she is. We're going to see how much she gives. You're going to see all of that and then some. If you guys are interested in this video, then definitely keep on watching.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be trying out the One Size Beauty Butter Silk Concealer. I went ahead and picked this up from my local Sephora. I have it in the shade Deep 1, which is a neutral golden, where I kind of fall in naturally as far as the complexion goes. I'm going to be using a lot of One Size Beauty products here in this video, so if you guys have not been introduced or tried any of their products, I will be the perfect catalyst to be able to help you guys see what they have to offer as far as the brand go. But nevertheless, I went ahead and grabbed it because TikTok went viral about it. So I had to see what she was all about, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up the brows with this. And I'm also going to prime the face as well too with the primer. So I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting before I do my foundation. I'm also going to use the same Butter Silk Concealer. And the reason why I chose it is because I want to use it for coverage, not for highlighting. So I'm just going to take a couple of dots here. You guys know I have issues on the jawline. So this should be able to help give some coverage before I go in with the foundation. Gonna take my Morphe. This is the Morphe E50. I'm sorry, the Morphe E63 brush, and I'm just going to. That was a lot, and that covered. Wow. Oh, okay. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? The coverage, the coverage. And the reason why I picked this shade is because I wanted to match my neck as much as possible. That is coverage. So you can't let this concealer sit too long. It starts to stick and it doesn't want to move. So make sure you guys apply and blend instantly, because it was literally like, I want to say like 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and that concealer did not want to budge. It did not want to move. But boom. All right, so going with some of this, not too much because it is a little bit darker. Probably gonna take a little bit here and here just for blendability. Let me not do the other side because I need it to blend. I'm gonna take this Juvia Place concealer in shade 12. There and there. A little bit here. And down the nose. Here. Here. Boom. Let me get a beauty blender. Let me go with my beauty blender and I'll be right back. And she's blended out. I'm living. Concealer works very well. I think I want to go back and get another one that's a little bit more of a brightening shade for me, because although it is dark, it gave coverage where it needs to give. It gives what it needs to give. It gave what it needs to give. So I'm going to go in with the One Size powder, both in translucent and dark deep. And I'm going to do a little bit of mixture. I already went ahead and did a little mixture because you guys know I like a mixture. And I'm going to set my under eye area. I'm going to set it first, and then I'm going to bake with just the original, just to brighten the under eye area. I'm going to go in with the Turn Up the Base Versatility Foundation Powder. And I'm just going to set the rest of the face, kind of press it in. Go a little bit over this bronzer right here so it don't look so harsh in the center of the face. Also gonna take a little bit right here just to have a blend point between the bronzer and I'm using the Milk Makeup powder brush. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. She's everything and then some. Honestly, also about the concealer. She's full coverage. Patrick's not playing. She's full coverage. She hit the pigmentation around the jawline. She cut the concealer, cut the brows real good. She helped hold. I had this makeup on for about a good 2 hours already, and my under eye has not creased. I'm going back to go get another shade because I need it. I need it in my life. I need this in my life. This is a really good concealer. Straight up, honestly. If you not haven't tried this, then you might need to go and get it. Like, that's the true tea. That's the true tea. There's nothing more I can say. I mean, because I'm only reviewing this product, but this got coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and hop off of this video. I'm going to go ahead and eat. It is 10 o'clock at night. I want to say thank you guys for holding it down, being with me, my little inconsistency behind, but I'm trying to get back to the swing of things. Trust me. Comment down below some videos or some things you guys want to see from me, like rounded eyes, full face of black on makeup. Give me some ideas. I'm here, and I'm ready to go to work. But I can't think on my own. Like, I got so much going on in my brain. I can't think of what I really want to do. But I need you guys to help me. So comment down below some video ideas, and we can get into it. So I'm going to go ahead and hop off of here. I'm going to go ahead and eat, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye. Go get this concealer, y'all. Go get it. It's good. It's good. Go get this concealer, y'all. Go get this concealer. It's good. Real good. It's too good. Too good for its own kind.